Hi, this is Malaikanan Shankar Subbu. I'm founder and CTO of Datalog.ai. It's a San Francisco-based startup. We work on natural language understanding engine. What we have done is we have packaged it as a MyPoly chatbot building product. I'm very happy to submit my proposal for a talk in the Anthill conference. I'll be in India at that time, so I'll be more than happy to come give a talk if I'm selected. Um, so uh, the topic or the topic of my talk is CNN for NLP. Traditionally, for natural language processing, we have always used recurrent neural networks, but language understanding is very hard. Perception problems are a little easier to solve compared to language. Like vision or speech, we have a decent level of accuracy. But when it comes to language, we are still struggling, right? So what we have to do is we have to use almost all the tricks, whatever we have up in our sleeves to solve this particular problem. Yeah, traditionally what we have done is we have always used recurrent neural networks, RNNs, to solve NLP. But RNNs have an issue with looping. So try loops over a GPU. I mean, it's going to take a long time for a model to train. CNNs try to solve that problem. CNNs for NLP is rather a new idea or a new concept. It's been interaction from probably late 2014 to early 2015. In fact, what we have done is we have built a model for entity extraction using CNN. So the topic of this particular talk, the way this particular talk is going to go ahead is it's going to explain the basics of convolution neural networks, the basic building blocks of CNN, which is like convolution, pooling, um, um, the activation functions, like fully connected networks and all those things, and how that can be transferred over to NLP. And we are going to in fact go through few hyperparameter tunings what we have done or what I have used in these models, and then probably a little bit of code either in Keras or PyTorch. Right now I've used Keras for this model submission, then probably I'll change it to PyTorch for better understanding, to explain it a little better. So yeah, a little bit of background about me on this area. I've been very active on the community effort to spread deep learning. I was one of the early guys who started the Keras community along with Francois Cholet, Gregory Renard, Louis Manior, Fabien Locat, Stefan Igla, and others. It kind of grew pretty well. We did that in late 2015. Then I was also part of the group that founded IDLI. We call it IDLI, but it's Indian Deep Learning Initiative. It's 3,200 members strong. It's extremely active. The mode of the group is to spread deep learning in India. There are different community activities or grassroots level activities which I'm part of. We run sessions and things like that to spread the knowledge. So this particular submission for this talk is also an attempt at sharing my knowledge and what I have done, my experience, to a larger audience. So they'll be beneficial. I know that I can't solve every problem in the world. So I hope to inspire someone else to take some other problems which are related to language and solve it. I think a lot of issues in the world are due to unable to understand each other, which comes from languages too. So we have to solve that problem for betterment of the world. Thank you.